Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem an Xbox gift card using the Xbox app on your phone. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Xbox app. Start by opening the Xbox app on your phone and ensure you're signed into your account. Step 2. Access your profile settings. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the navigation bar. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Step 3. Find the Redeem option. Scroll down to the section labeled Support and Feedback and select Help Topics. From the app, play with your games and expand the How to Redeem Gift Cards and Codes section. Step 4. Open the Redeem page in your browser. Select the option for redeeming a code via mobile browser, and a link to redeem.microsoft.com will appear. Open your phone's browser like Safari or Chrome and navigate to the link. Step 5. Sign in and enter your code. Log into your Xbox account on the Redeem page. Enter the 25-character gift card code exactly as it appears on your card, ensuring accuracy with capitalization. Step 6. Redeem your code. Tap Next to confirm the code's value and redeem it to add the balance to your account. That's it. Your Xbox gift card is now redeemed, ready for you to use on games, subscriptions, or other content. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.